experimentation and innovativeness in education in collaboration with other bodies like CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education, NCERT, National Council of Educational Research and Training Center. And last, we are trying to develop the spirit of national integration and create a sense of Indianness among the children. This is my library website. Actually, as water session, it has been conducted since 3 days. I observed whatever work I am doing and lagging behind, and whatever I thought before coming to here, I did lots of things for my library, and my library is leading in my Mumbai region among the 48 schools, so I was proud of that. But yesterday onwards I thought, where I am standing in front of such outstanding speaker. So I met Rushali in 2011. She is my junior, but I met during one national conference at Mumbai. So there I had seen her presenting the presentation, and that I thought I had to come forward and I had to update myself, because I was like that frog whose life is not beyond that pond. So I was serving since 2003 to 9 in KVS, and I was trying to compare with other libraries. So I was strengthening my library by putting so many efforts. But when I came to Pune, and that time I had taken charge of such big library which have 4 section school from class 6 to 12, I am serving them, and class 1 to 5 we are giving them box library services. So my crowd is class 6 to 12. There I found this big library, time management, we had to do the marketing, I had to create the ambience, I had to build the collection as per their requirement, even to manage with time, space and without manpower. So I am doing one woman show since 2003. So I will jump to my presentation. I will come to library website later.
But one thing, don't get scared of other libraries. The reason is we talk a lot. There may not be anything there.
Video.
Sir, I could not hear you, sir. Sorry, Prasad, sir. No, I was facing some difficulty too. At Kendra Vidyalaya Southern Command's library, I am serving 2,200 children. I will take in short, sir. So I am giving open access to children. My library is fully automated. Automation had completed in 2010 using e-Granthala. I am getting support from Delhi National Informatics Center, and our director is giving us online support. Today also I did some session, and I got call from office to support, generate some report, and we have to send it to headquarters. So these NIC people, they are giving us support online through AMI, and what are our requirement for generating reports, they used to implement in their different version. As the second session, our second speaker told about the information literacy and data analysis practice. So I am trying hard to build collection by planning and giving orientation to my children by following EQUIP, that is ensuring quality in upper primary. So we had this quantum jump of primary class to 6th class. Primary best, whatever they are doing in KVS, at present I am not satisfied with, because my child is studying in 3rd. So I had seen it's a quantum jump for 6th class to adjust with the secondary level. So there I am planning to, I used to plan in month of April, I used to give orientation program to library, second orientation program to library website, library web of that, library software, library blog, and how to handle book, how to take care of book, how to do study. So differentiation I used to take as per the classes during month of April. So there I am trying, I am satisfied, at least I am doing some literacy program for my children. And I used to post the latest activity on blog, website and Facebook social networking. So I keep alerting and doing the promotion of library services. And new arrival I used to post on library blog, library website. Orientation to library program, just I told you. Library user guide we have made for my class 6 to class 12. So different way we used to conduct the session. It is difficult to attend 30 minutes, 50 children. They used to come to library, they may take time to reach library. After reaching, how finding fresh and innovative. And it should be easily approachable. That's why I used to give the orientation program. And library should work as like a heart and lung of a body. If heart won't work, what will be the position of our body? So I'm comparing with my circulation. So if we, as for example, lung you take, if we will not exhale and inhale, so what will be the position of our body? Like that, if we don't do circulation, written and issue of books, then what is the use of that library? Sorry, I belongs to science. That's why I'm comparing such concept. Yes, sir.
Shall I tell you, in the textbooks when I was studying library science, I read library is the heart, nervous system, lung, everything. In the organization, nobody bothers about the library.
Yes, nobody follows, nobody supports.
They always ignore the library.
If there is a budget crunch, no, first budget to be attacked is the library budget. If possible, librarian himself will be asked. So, but again, if you ask any vice chancellor or director, he says without library we can't survive. The reason is, if he says otherwise, they may think this fellow doesn't read books. So it's all on paper.
Yeah. But I'm comparing with my functioning of library. If I don't do issue and return, if I don't give access to them, it won't go out at material and it won't reach back. So I'm not satisfied and I'm trying hard with this concept, sir.
You are young, you know.
12 years.
So everything else, library means I had to build collection, I had to create ambience, I had to attend, and I'm the one woman show. So I don't get any support. And my library just 2 years back I had barcoded using barcode printer personally. So everything I did, and regarding website I will come to you. By giving glance, updating my children, this everything I drafted. If you get any mistake, please let me know. So I made my children how to issue, how to return, how to write story, how to write book review. See, children are following simply paragraph, first page, last page. Then I made my children read at least few pages. What a question are given to you, read that question, try to frame one sentence in your own word. Starting you may make mistake, but later you will come to know. So I don't get time, but I used to carry bundle to home because I used to attend 30 classes in once a week, and each class have more than 50 children.
Wow.
Because my school is centrally located, and everybody want admission in Southern Command.
Wow.
So I had given these guides to my children.
Oh, great,
so
great.
how to follow the libraries, how to issue return, then how to write it a storybook. Children used to ask question, this is subject book, what can I write? This is reference book, what can I write? Then I had given some question. What do you refer? Write on the chapters, which you refer, how much it is useful for you, whether which chapter helped you, which concept you may not aware of that before referring, and list out the difficult words. So listing out difficult word I found and belongs to village area. When I came to Pune that time, I came for my PG. So I found what a Pune people, they are very lucky, they got such a background. When I joined, I was hesitating to sit at front, I was hesitating to speak to my lecturer. Then while presenting, I was afraid how I will present. So that time I was not willing to speak for 5 minutes. But I am the person, I can't keep control myself by heart. So that attitude helped me a lot, and I made my children, daily you should list out difficult words. You should take meaning, and you at the session ending you should submit your sample. So they are preparing different projects. Two projects I would like to mention here. So building their fluency, building their vocabulary, and making them to write in their own words. And I used to make them to narrate whatever they read. I asked anyone in random what is there, let me know, because I don't get time to read books. Because it's a fact, I don't get time to read books, I don't get time to update my knowledge. But now they are coming out and grabbing such opportunity, whatever I do here, they are conducting in school. To balance with my family life. See how library activities run for whole session. Instead of our regular work, we have to conduct such activities. assembly.
Wow.
Water glance, water index page of magazine.
Baba.
Books I used to display.
Great.
And some pictures and library actually what I conducted.
Award
in
din
this
ito.
session. A book review written by children. Now they are sending through mail to me. I used to post on library website.
Babu. Wow.
Libraries, the orientation program was going on. So I had given orientation to library website. So class 6 to 12 we used to follow, and I had given link to different subject material, study material from class 9 to 12 by fetching data from different varieties which are training zonal section at our KVS from different KVS. We have 1,124 KVs. Out of that, 1,109 KV have their own website. But my school have website, our library have our own website since 2005.
Book
This is
6.
my reference. I have an extension book because I did a growing organism. My 50 stack is inside of that extension book. This is my circulation counter. We have used the e-Granthalaaya for automation of library. This was web app was launched in 2012. Web app was launched. That time I came to know in 2004 what is the web app. So almost that time I had completed automation. So then after coming from in-service code, I implemented it and I got support from NIC New Delhi. Sorry, I don't know the review system. This is web app of
As difficult as French.
This is web app of
Friends? Okay.
So we have given connection through intranet within a campus to all the departments and through internet by linking to library website. So my children can take access where at any corner of the world.
Oh, wow.
This website address is at new address we just know. We hosted our website at 2 domain. So earlier we paid 14,000, but now we may not affordable amount because they were charging more, so we shifted to another domain. So again that address is changed. This website is operated and during panel inspection, the 10 people used to use this library, and this recently moved back. 10 people inspected my library for 14 minutes. Yeah.
वेरी नाइस केंद्रीय विद्यालय में स्कूल लाइब्रेरी में इतना एफर्ट कौन करेगा?
My library website.
ओह
So I had given different career link and the syllabus detail, previous year question paper, exam alert to my children. Now they might doubt they don't want book. Parents give everything at home. What a study material I give day by day it get outdated because day by day this chapter they are implementing by CBSE. They are modulating all the pattern. Within a session 2-3 times they keep changing things. So my children want everything. They are getting everything at home, and what a study material is circulated through our Sangathana, it comes to them in month of February, month of January. It's too late within 15 days. How can they prepare for that? So in keeping that view in mind, so I had uploaded different study material on my library's website.
Ask library.
By
Wow.
fetching data from different sources. So they used to refer different experts material. Here I have given that facility. You can ask library. I have given mail address. Today I came to know that feedback is there. We can comment on website. That facility my website don't have. And I have given link to my blog. So I used to update since 2013 my blog. And I came to know that time onwards what is the blog, how can we give alert service to children, parents and my staff community. And different library program we used to conduct. So actually I am not perfect
Outsourcing.
time span.
Outsourcing.
It won't permit me because I had to balance my work by attending these classes because most of children, they don't get facility, computer facility, internet facility at home. So we have even 3 terminals for children. Different material, for example, EduRite, they are publishing material for as per CBSE pattern. So I had purchased a CD and I had kept in different conference room, class 1 to 5 primary section, class 6 to 12 in secondary section. So they are and class 9, 11, 12 in library. So they are getting iTutor facility with headphone. I am giving access to them. So what a weak class children, they used to take facility and upgrade themselves by going through the lesson. Regarding blog, what a new articles comes regarding my institute, regarding my children, I used to post on library blog. So few blogs I will show you which was posted in 2006, 2012 to now. So what a newspaper article comes regarding my user, I used to post here. What is useful for them. Here I posted some study material, sample paper. So different link I used to give them. They used to refer. Our staff, they used to attend the exam to pursue further post. So I used to give them alert by posting such data on library's blog. Through social networking, I started promotion of library services and awareness of library services. So what activity we used to conduct, I used to post on library's Facebook account. Nowadays it was restricted to employee, so I started my own library's account there. Now they won't restrict me to doing the promotion of these services.
Wow, great.
Actually, I'm not used to with this
French.
keyboard, no? That's why facing problem.
French
Let
keyboard.
me, I will show you some.
French keyboard.
Don't start from the beginning.
No, sir. Actually, I used to conduct book exhibition with my library's collection on World Book Day, Independence Day, then Hindi fortnight we had to celebrate for 15 days, and last National Library Week. So 4 times I used to conduct book exhibition with my library's collection, and twice a year we used to conduct book fair with the help of outside vendor. So reading together, now in India they started Nation Reading Together program. So on 27 November in the morning assembly we are going to conduct, and every year I used to conduct, we used to sit together for half an hour, we used to sit together, we used to read together for half an hour. So by participating in this activity, Scholastic is providing us 100 free books, and they are photographs taken during this program, they are going to publish in national level in their journal. So different activities to conduct during whole session. These are the children's exhibits, what they prepare during activities. So for one activity 60 children is to come, if I used to restrict them from 3 candidates from each class. So 60 participants is to come for one activity. So like that 3-4 activities we used to conduct within a day.
Super.
The exhibit will be kept for display of all the classes. And judges, it was challenge for judges to select who is the first, second, third. And as per our Prime Minister's Day by New program, he used to announce on Teachers' Day he interacted with children instead of interacting with teacher. Yeah, that's I'm not agree with him. And children were watching Bangalian because he should interact with teacher. What problem they face?
Nowadays he is sending a lot of spam to the mails.
This is a World Book Day with the outside vendor Scholastic and Independence Day. So many activities. This time, new things I did since 2014. I called author. So in my school it is difficult to get grant. Again problem about fund. So we had to do different different activity, we had to call author, poet, and they don't pay for their service. So what I did, I keep searching who is a younger one author I can launch her during my program. So one of author I found from Army Public School, which is near to my school. So she is studying in 9th class, Anubha Sagar. She wrote 2 books. I called her and we conducted author meet in my school. So that time we launched her book. So she got exposure and I got benefit. My children could interact with the author by writing pen or starting with pen. What is the pleasure of writing? My children come to know. And this year I called one of the educationalist who is a retired, who is a grandparent of my school. So I hardly used to meet parents because I won't get time. But during my exhibition, he came to library and he told me about the library's views, what children used to think. That time I came to know he is from education department. He is from Jhajjar, Haryana, and he was the lecturer. He is a retired person, and nowadays he started writing poetry. So I called him during Hindi fortnight to interact with my children. So what is the pleasure of writing poem? What is the how to frame the rhymes? How to frame the sentences? How to explain the how to feel feelings should come on pen or by paper on paper. So like that, I tried hard to give my children everything to in future from your poet author come from my school. These are the best reader of the month. So I used to post them on library's website. So these where we are encouraging our children and appreciating whatever they are doing. So if I post them on library's website, next time they will come. Every day they used to come. I want book. I want to read it. I want new. So it was difficult to control that circulation counter with my hectic schedule. These are the best reader prize we had distributed during every annual day. Every year we used to distribute.
On what criteria?
Who read more title class wise we used to check.
But how do you know that they
We-
just coming, taking and...
No, I have recorded. We can check through e-Granthalaya circulation transaction. Second, we have manual borrower card system.
But that will not issue it as record, but whether they are
Because they are presenting their book review, we are maintaining book review file. And I used to call them frequently. I used to ask them randomly. I will call you anytime. But returning, you tell me the what you read. At least you tell me. While doing that processing, I could hear.
If you ask like that, next time they may not take the book.
And they used to come. They used to come and then this reading started.
Extra children is there.
Sir, it was difficult for me to 30 minutes control the discipline, control that 50 crowd. I had to do the circulation. I had to keep encouraging them to get up from seat and go to rack and select book as per choice. So that thing I found, they continuously they're busy talking. So what I did, anybody found talking, I may ask you, anybody should come here, narrate within 5 minutes what you read. So in that, lifespan of that magazine, title of magazine, which article did you read, what things did you like, what new things you come to know. So I keep doing that thing, children are afraid of me. That way at least they hardly could read something during that time. So I thought I'm stepping stone towards the reading and developing reading habit amongst my children towards success. These are the archives of last 6 years question paper. Since my joining, I preserved question paper of class 3rd to class 12. So I'm giving archiving service. Online career test I used to conduct 72 questions link I had searched from website. It was linked to library website. I used to assign them, you should attend it, take out the result and you should meet our counselor during our session.
You
So,
said you are the only librarian.
yeah, only once.
But so many things you are working whole day and night.
That's why yesterday I was raising question to you. What I am doing till and I'm not satisfied what service I'm giving to my student. And it is difficult to my family life because I'm staying away from my husband with my child. And 3 years I kept my child to my mother's place for doing this library setup. It was 9 to 13. I brought him in 13. Since 13 he is staying with me. And now also I'm balancing with his study and my library. And I used to stay in library 10 to 11 o'clock.
Actually, you know, one economics professor. He was scared of his wife and he is spending all the time in the
It's not like that. My husband is very silent, very supportive.
He also librarian.
So, school library provides equal opportunity and learning and achievement of all children. And I believe strong school library means strong students.
Definitely.
And what I emphasize focus point on display, because every quarter I used to keep changing display. Every month I won't get time. Library is a notice board I used to, but outside the library we are maintaining 2 notice board. One is for reader club activity and one is for book at a glance. Like at 76,680 and I believe I used to do social sensitization. Librarian has to do the role of career counselor. Then adolescence program we had to conduct under library. Then we had to do social sensitization by screening different video. So I used to do this work during the whole session as time permits me and as per the classes schedule. And since 2012 I had seen Rushali presentation in Mumbai. That time I thought she is my junior and she is doing such much improvement and she got that time best presentation of that conference and I was only participant to attend it. I too came to support my husband. I thought he is very, he won't come out, so I thought both we will go and we will start attending workshop and seminar. So as per my knowledge, library's 5th law is not applicable for only library staff and strength. It's also applicable for our updating educational knowledge. If we won't keep updating ourselves, it's difficult to survive in present status as this latest information technology forcefully came to our library department. And I found so many computer professionals forcefully coming to library. Because they are expert in that technology. So I found we had to go ahead and we had to update ourselves by attending different workshops, seminars, conference, and don't hesitate to come here. Once you got one entered and once you got one experience, you will get confidence. Next time I will do better than that. Here in service course, we used to get opportunity every 6 years. After 6 years, we will get one in-service course of 21 days. So our Sangathan give opportunity after 6 years. So this was my second in-service course I had attended in Mysore, and both in-service course I had attended in Mysore. So I could meet fellow professionals of Mysore University. But after attending different workshops and seminars, and I think this was the best opportunity I could make at this outstanding speakers and experts of fellow professionals at this international workshop. So I'm trying to play a role as a co-manager to balance between a student's requirement and teacher's requirement. As a librarian, we had to update ourselves and we had to accept the challenge to meet users' need with latest technology. So, and I believe this is one of the first slide of presentation who is a school librarian in abroad. So I had seen his presentation uploaded in SlideShare. So with his permission, I used this slide here and I'll be interacting with him for whenever I'm going anywhere to present in my institute or outside of institute. So I believe school library is making difference. Cooking up your own display. It's up to you how you cook, how you organize, how you decorate. It's up to you how to attract your user. And I believe library is a symbiotic relationship with student and library. Without student, library is incomplete. Without library, students are incomplete. I found this is about I want to tell you. The journey started as a librarian. A traditional work I was doing since 2003 to 2009. Then I started in 2012 like a caterpillar, moving towards latest technology. Now I'm feeling I'm playing role as a cybrarian, like a butterfly. But after going through this 3 days session, again I'm thinking I'm lagging behind.
Now you will get to
Yeah, that I need to fly and I need to get such a wings which will help me to fly high.
Outer space.
Whenever I go to any library after getting transfer, first stage I won't do. So like that, this prepared by me. I used to display in each and every library where I work, and at last I used to did it. And yes, I did it.
Wow.
So future belongs to those who know how to learn. And here I would like to take you 2 minutes. Show some pictures of my library.
I think we haven't seen.
That was up to 2012.
2012.
Start now. So far, what we have seen.
That was up to 2012. Only one poet picture I see here. So, Eric, I need your help.
It is Where is the visit?
Some libraries photos you are showing us.
Yes, sir. Definitely we will visit KVS library.
I have one question for you. I really appreciate your efforts.
Yes.
Only thing, as a student, is how you are teaching students to use social media, because you are doing blog and website. They should not misuse that.
Yeah, that too, I agree with you. Actually, I found
And how
whenever
much
there is a rule, there is a violation. Even though parent restrict to access Facebook, but what I found, whatever activity I used to post on library website, I used to get comment from fellow professional, and my children used to get alert with that, because class 10 to 12 they won't get chance to attend assembly, so their extra classes might be going there, so they won't come to program whatever we used to conduct. So I am raising awareness. Yeah, I do agree with your point, because parents should restrict, and I found they get diverted with such interaction with social networking. But here, in point of marketing of library services and raising awareness, I used to take help of social
I
network.
don't think we should restrict students' access to social networks. In that case, we should not allow them to see Bollywood movies.
Yeah, that's true, sir. And if we restrict more, they will be more enthusiastic to know more.
They should get exposed.
Yeah.
More you restrict, more they have the curiosity.
Whatever pictures we have seen in slideshow, it was up to 2012. Since 2012 to 2015, few glance I would like to show you. If any suggestion, please let me know. This is my library. How to enter from, I used to make them to line. I used to give them alternate girl boy sitting plan. This is a circulation counter. My children used to take access.
I want to see in 2012 how you were looking.
There is not more change, slight change, I gain some kgs. Because librarians will be sitting at one chair and doing all work. No exercise at all.
Great.
Next.
Today is great. Very great.
Don't go.
French. French keyboard.
Okay. You can have a glance to my side, my library's view. We have 2 doors for library, so I used to give access to my teacher and students from all the corners of my Vidyalan. Library is centrally located. I started new concept here, mobile library. So I had given design to our authority, and they helped me a lot. We prepared one trolley with display, and I'm taking that trolley to primary classes to do the marketing by the concept of mobile library.
I thought mobile library.
Nowadays concept is mobile library is different, but as per my view, since 2012 I started mobile library, hanging library, reading corner. So,
Library on wheels.
this orientation program to primary classes, 1st to 5th they used to visit library in month of April. So this is a professional development since 2012. It's a book fair, a different activity we conducted during different occasions. And my children do best, they are the best, and talent is coming from such activity.
Vishali, we should visit on Saturday.
Yes.
Special
Instead of going
program.
to Mahabaleshwar, we should go here.
No, madam.
Sure, why not? You are
Definitely.
almost welcome, all of you. Different activity by children, and for special program in the assembly, they are coming in such number, it's difficult to restrict them. Everybody wants to present. So nowadays for me it's difficult to balance this activity plan, this e-technology work, library's physical work, and to update my knowledge by attending such seminars, workshop. Huh. Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice.
Anybody is interested can visit Sucheta's library. She is here in Pune.
And one more thing I want to tell you.
Listen now, we are going.
Yeah, actually our authority owned support for fund. So what I did, I used to arrange fair. What incentive I used to get, I used to divert in the form of prizes for best reader and winner of the activity.
Complete हो गया ना?
Career counseling session I had taken with the help of my ex-student. What an opportunity I used to get to meet the a career expert during our all the activity, because we don't have fund to pay for it. So everything I'm planning free. So these are my BTech students, the 2011's batch, and they are frequently coming and they are taking the session during their holidays.
Please raise your hands. Please. Great,
So
great.
I will wind up myself.
Yes, great. Really great, great. Really
And
great.
this is the latest 3 days back CCTV footage of panel inspection.
CCTV
What they
also.
did, how they conducted, and one of our assistant commissioner, she inspected for 40 minutes, and she interacted with so many problems also. And I too came to know after doing this much work, their expectation has increased much more.